my brother, Mr. Ali Himati, yeah, who's the chairman of the Paradise Food Court Private Limited. And we have Mr. Gautam Gupta, our CEO, and I am Dr. Kazim. And I first and foremost would like to welcome all of you all to Paradise. A warm welcome to all of you all. And Paradise is one brand which is known all over, not only in the country, but is also known abroad. Anybody who talks about biryani would definitely relate to Paradise. It's been there from 1953, and it is one of the most reputed, authentic biryani place in the world, I would say. And now we have come to Chennai. And I'm sure that people in Chennai would love to taste the authenticity of Hyderabad biryani. There are different formats and forms of biryani sold across the country, and a lot of people know about Hyderabad and Paradise biryani, and we are here to launch this to the people of Chennai, and I'm sure that they would accept Paradise biryani, and we would love to open many more outlets in Chennai.
Anyway, thank you very much everybody for taking the trouble and coming. I have nothing to say because you have said everything. So I just want to thank all of you for coming and welcome you to Paradise. Thank you very much for coming all. If there is any question or anything, so please you can ask whatever question you have.
So you are so late.
Sorry?
You are so late.
Very late to, yeah, it's better late than never. It's better late than never.
See,
So we were actually consolidating our position over there in Hyderabad. Once we were sure that now we can expand, so we started expanding. And the first outlet, 6 outlets we have in Bangalore, and the 7th one is coming up in Whitefield. So maybe by next month. So after Bangalore, Chennai is the only city, you know. And of course, we are launching one more in Vizag by the end of this month also. So the plan is pan-India. We are planning to have all over the country, you know.
So you have an idea to put second branch in Chennai?
Yes.
Actually, outskirts, it means outskirts. Heart of the city means that locations are the main things to people.
So where do you suggest us to have the second location?
As you wish.
You're the local, you're from here, so you must be knowing Chennai more than us. Okay, this is what we have been advised to come up. So we have come up over here. So the second branch, we leave it to you. You have to tell us where to come. Thank you very much. Thank you.
So, what is the specialty of Paradise biryani?
See, as my brother right now said, there are different types of biryani prepared all over the country. Like Lucknowi biryani is there, like biryani from South India. So this is known as the authentic biryani. How 500 years back, when he traveled all the way from Persia to Hyderabad during Nizam's period, you know, this is how they used to prepare, and still we are preparing the same type of biryani.
it is the process and the way it is done. There's something called as a dum, which is a very traditional way of making it. So we still follow the recipe and the process, which is very important to get the aroma, the taste, the authenticity of the product, which is very consistent. That is what makes it very, very authentic. That is what really drives people to come again and again.
And the most important thing is everybody prepares biryani. Everybody makes biryani, even in Hyderabad also. But Paradise is the most famous in the whole of India and globally also. The most important thing is that we use the most, the best ingredient which is possible, to be used for the biryani. We never think of using any inferior quality, only the best quality. That's the reason Paradise is special.
So it's very special in Hyderabad.
Yeah, I know. You must be knowing it.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes, I didn't introduce we have any interest to use the Paradise biryani.
Did you visit any outlet over there? We have 9 outlets in Hyderabad, and we are coming up with more.
How many branches are in Hyderabad?
Nine.
9 branches.
Nine. So, about 20, how many of we have so far?
Total 15.
Yeah, no,
What outlets?
yeah, outlets.
So total, this is the 16th outlet.
This is the 16th outlet, yeah.
But you know, the flagship store, which was started way back in 1953 in Hyderabad, and the whole location is named after Paradise. And that particular store takes about 1,500 people, can sit there at one given time and eat. So that's you can say it's one of the biggest restaurants in the country. And Paradise stands for quality, value for money, speed of service, hygiene, consistency. These are the things which makes Paradise very special. See, a family comes and we don't serve alcohol. So people get their money's worth once they come to Paradise. They know the speed of service is excellent, is very hygienic, ingredients are all standardized, people can trust that. And anybody who comes to Hyderabad, they say if you don't come to Paradise, your journey to Hyderabad is not complete. One of the things to do in Hyderabad is to visit Paradise. Our CEO, Mr. Gautam Gupta, would like to...
Just to add, I think there are so many brands in the food services space. Only a few brands have been able to what they call the iconic status. And I think as Ali Bhai and Kazim Bhai said, I think the reason why customers really make a brand iconic is because of one single word called trust. When people come here, they trust our quality, they trust that we are charging the right prices, they trust our ingredients, service, and then they give us a great feedback. So if you go to various feedback mechanisms like Zomato and all, we get very, very positive feedback. And I think that trust over a period of time has really made us an iconic brand. And we believe that while we are very well known in Hyderabad and across the country, we will acquire that significant position in Chennai also, because we believe it's a very attractive market. Customers do value good quality products. You were talking about this area. Actually, our experience in the IT hub in Bangalore has been very good. So that's the reason we thought that we should start with OMR first. And itself is a 25-kilometer stretch. So, there are opportunity of having multiple restaurants in this whole area only. So we have had good experience in IT hub. People, because in IT industry, there are people from across the world, country, and they want to try authentic biryani. And that's where our brand comes in, and that's the reason why we are very excited about this restaurant. Even in the morning, we had a very good response on day one. So we are very excited about it.
And any difference between castes, between Andhra and Tamil Nadu castes?
Cost of the product?
Yes.
No, we keep it very competitive. We want everybody to relish, and the pocket should permit them to enjoy Paradise Biryani.
The intention of Paradise is not to tax anybody's pocket. I think that the price what we are charging is cheaper than any other outlets here.
And one reason why we are able to do that is the sourcing of our raw material. We are able to, source it at a very competitive price, unlike our competitors. Because of our usage is very high, so we have stronger ways of negotiating at the source. And the fact remains that we have so many celebrities who have, over the period of years, relished the authenticity of this product. So I am sure that with your support, we'll be able to really reach out to the citizens of the city and really make sure that they relish and enjoy this product.
So many companies are actually came to Chennai nowadays. Recently also one top company is celebrating. So many programs they are doing for established their company. So you have any idea to do some marketing like that in Chennai? Because of this is the first time you are launching station.
So we believe, and we have always believed, that the customer experience is the biggest marketing. See, you would know that in food services space, when you go to a restaurant, and you have a very good experience, you talk about it. So our biggest marketing tool really is word of mouth. That's what we believe in. However, we do realize that we are in a new world now, especially digital world, social media. So we are active on that. However, our core belief is that the experience of the customer and word of mouth will over a period of time really make a very big iconic brand. But we will obviously invest in digital media, especially because we are in the OMR area where people are IT savvy. So that channel will work for us.
Mouth to mouth.
Exactly.
Sorry? How many?
Food.
Varieties.
Food varieties. So
We have Chinese, we have kebabs, we have Indian
and biryani.
and biryani, but of course, majority of this thing is biryani. So people have the option of enjoying Chinese food. It's a multi-cuisine, so our kebabs are very well made, they're very authentic. And of course, there's a dessert which is Hyderabadi called Khubani Ka Mitha, made out of apricots, which is a speciality, and people really love it.
Double ka meetha.
Any memorable moments, sir, in Hyderabad?
Memorable moments in Hyderabad. There will be so many, but
So maybe one of the best.
One of the best was when Sachin Tendulkar came to the outlet. He spent some time with us. Then, of course, Amir Khan came. We have a lot of Rahul Gandhi, for example, he walked in. So we have a lot of people just walking in without any this thing. So that makes us feel good that, you know, the brand is trusted and you have so many iconic people coming over. But as I said, the motto of this whole business has been to serve the best food to people at the most competitive price, to make sure that they are happy. People who come to us should go happy.
Any special offers will be there, sir?
Offer, I think our marketing team is working on it. Our marketing team is working on the offer and to reach out to as many people.
Some festival days like that.
so for example, we do have focus on, we have some food festivals. So in Hyderabad, for example, we do have kebab festival where we present a new range of kebab, focus on kebab, people get to try more range of kebab.
That's why I'm asking. Actually, you have to celebrate Chennai also.
Yeah.
Like that.
So first, the idea is really for the customers to get to taste the core product biryani. And as we grow, we will have our own innovation calendar.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you so much.
One of the core members of the Paradise team, very proactive, and he's been very instrumental in Bangalore 6 stores which we opened. A very proactive and a dynamic person. And he knows the Chennai market very well. He is from here and he is going to lead the Chennai. So please ask him in Tamil.
Oscar.
Come.